Hello and welcome to the HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to organize and customize the Start menu in Windows 11. So, in order to do that, you have to go to the Settings application, click on the Start menu, click on the Settings, and here in the left panel, find Personalization button and scroll down to the Start. Here, you can firstly choose layout of your Start menu. I personally have chosen the More Pins. You can choose Default or More Recommendations. Here you can show or hide some category of apps that will be shown here in the Recommended. And you can also show or hide some folders from the File Explorer to be shown here in the Start menu. If you want to organize your Start menu and create folders, you can do this just by the drag and dropping applications to the one, and you will create a folder, and here you can edit it by changing the order of applications and edit name. For example, it will be test. And if you want to delete this folder, you can just drag applications out of this folder and it will be deleted. Also, if you want to pin some app to the Start menu, for example, it will be the Google Chrome, just search for this app here in the Start, right click on it, pin to Start, and I will have this app pinned to the Start menu. And to unpin this application, just right click, unpin from Start, and I will not have it. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.